Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. Um, in this video, we are going to go through some math puzzles to work your brain out. Math puzzles, or you can call it math riddles, are just a way to exercise your brains, and especially for kids. Yeah, just a way to make your kids have this kind of love for mathematics. Yeah. Okay, so if this is your first time to visit this channel, please kindly like and subscribe and equally comment at the comment section if any find this video interesting and if you've learned something from it. Okay, let's begin with question one. Okay, I will help me find my friend. He's an odd number, but if you take away an alphabet from him, he becomes even. Who is he? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to suggest what the answer may be to this question. The answer is 7. As you can find, the number 7 is spelled as Seven. And if you take away the letter S, you're going to find the word even as we have here. Okay, let's move to question 2. Okay, for the second question, a ram has 5 sons. Each of his sons have a sister. And if so, how many children does Mr. Ram have? I'll repeat. A ram has 5 sons. Each of his sons has a sister. If so, how many children does Mr. Ram have? Okay, you're given 5 seconds to attempt this question. The answer is 6. Because all of the sons of Mr. Ram have the same sister. And if all sons have the same sister, that simply means, just kind of tricky question. That's why we call them math riddles or math puzzles. They're just a way to work your brain out, to exercise your brain and your thinking faculty. Okay, the third question. When can you add 2 to 11 and get 1 as the correct answer? I'll repeat. When can you add 2 to 11 and get 1 as the correct answer? Okay, you're given 5 seconds to attempt this question. The answer is, when you are talking about the clock, add 2 to 11 o'clock and it is 1 o'clock. A clock has 12. At 11 o'clock, add 2 to 11 o'clock and you're going to get 1 o'clock. Question 4. How many times can you subtract the number 10 from 100? How many times can you subtract the number 10 from 100? You're given 5 seconds to attempt this question. The answer is 1 time, because when you subtract, it's no longer 100. And so it requires just 1 time to subtract 10 from 100 and it's no longer 100. That's why they call them mathematics riddles. They are just a way to exercise your brain out. The last question. If 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 3, 5 is equal to 4, 6 is equal to 3, 7 is equal to 5, 8 is equal to 5, and 9 is equal to 4. And 10 is equal to 3. What is 11 and 12? Find the missing numbers. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds to attempt this question. That's why they call them mathematics riddles. They are just a way to exercise your brain, to make your to improve your thinking faculty. The answer is the answer represents the number of letters in the spelling of each number. So let's take, for example, let me just clearly explain why one is 3 and all this. One is 3 because if you take the spelling of one is O-N-E. So one has 3 letters. And here 2 is T-W-O-2. And 2 equally have 3 letters in its spelling. 4 is F-O-U-R-O-4. 4 has 4 letters in its spelling. As well as 5 has 4 letters, F-I-V-E. 6 has 3 letters in its spelling, S-I-X-6. 7 has 5 letters, S-E-V-E-N 7. And 8 has 5 letters, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 has 4 letters, N-I-N-E 9. 10 has 3 letters, T-E-N 10. And 11 has 6 letters, E-L-E-V-E-N. And 12 equally has 6 letters, T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Okay, and you can find that 12 and 11 and 12 both have 6 letters. So the answer is the missing numbers are, or the missing number is 6. That's 6 for both 11 and 6 for 12. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If that be the case, if you haven't subscribed at the beginning, please kindly subscribe to promote this channel, and you can equally click on the notification icon to get notified whenever a video is uploaded on YouTube. Thanks once more for watching this video till the end, and see you in my next video.